If you can think back to geology class, you might recall that the most valuable diamonds are formed under the greatest pressure. Well, we're here to tell you that in this line of work, when you and the crew are facing your own heavy pressures, like tight timelines, close quarters, and long hours on the job site, your most valuable asset is Diamond Products' new CC5049DC Walk Behind Saw, the first walk behind saw in the United States to be powered by a Cat industrial diesel engine. That's right, the first ever. Now, don't let its nearly 1-ton frame fool you. This walk behind saw is as well balanced, maneuverable, and easy to operate as they come. You can thank the industry experts at Diamond Products and Caterpillar for that, as they've masterfully balanced the machine's weight over the blade and not the operator. Add to that its top-of-the-line 49 horsepower Cat C2.2 industrial diesel engine is frame-mounted versus inline like other models, and you get a saw that can truly cut through anything, including high maintenance and service costs. This Diamond Products saw boasts a 14 to 42-inch blade capacity, making it a contractor's go-to for countless applications, from cutting expansion joints and roadwork to ripping out concrete and slicing through any other rock-hard aggregates that stand between you and a job well done. Because just as diamonds rank among the hardest elements on the planet, the new Diamond Products saw is built to cut right through the toughest aggregates and hardest job site soil conditions on Earth. Unlike the precious gemstone it's named after, we can't quite promise you that this saw will last forever, but we can guarantee you the award-winning service and support of Caterpillar and Diamond Products for the life cycle of your machine. The new Diamond Products CC5049DC Walk Behind Saws are here and proud to be the first Cat engine-powered machine of their kind in the country. These diamonds are made for the rough.